Hey, it's about time. Let's pop this shit off. Let's pop this shit off. Let's pop this shit off. Last drive was just a little taste. Let's get it going. Damn. That's a nasty ass cut, right?
Time it goes back to Barkley, who turns the corner.
Let's go. Let's finish. Hey. On a serious note, let's lock in. Let's finish this joint. You good. Let's go. Next play. Ha!
Let's get this dog.
Let's go.
He steps up. Now he's going to run. He's got a first down. Jalen Hurts did it with his legs.
Outstanding job right here.
Fires complete. Touchdown.